Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday. I've just broken up for Easter half term, and the next box has already arrived. So I got the dispatch notice yesterday, and other people have already received it. I've been so excited to waiting for this box. We saw pictures of it before we'd even had dispatch for box 21. This is box 22. So, cue lots of rust legs. I need to get it open. It's so pretty. I love it. It's so pretty. I mean, look, all of the stars and constellations are all rose gold. Time to open it. Midnight Crochet Club. Oh, I love the dark blue. Alright, let's see what we've got then, shall we? Ooh. Oh, I didn't expect that. So we have like a brown, chunky yarn and a grey chunky yarn, and there is some stuffing, which means there's an amigurumi type piece in here. There's some starlights. They are so cool. Fairy lights. So I'm gonna have to put the string nose up somewhere, aren't I? Maybe along my little shelf unit. They are fab. Let's put them down somewhere. I have literally just like cleared the chair so that I can immediately record this because I was so excited. Anyway, so we have Teatime Chunky. I've just seen the crochet hook. Teatime Chunky. This is called Chai. So it's 85% acrylic and 15% wool. And actually, it's actually really soft. So we have Chai, Earl Grey. I had a feeling it would be Earl Grey when I picked it up. So this uses a 6mm hook or 8.5 or 9mm knitting needles. So I'm interested to see what the project is. So as I said, we've got this big ball of stuffing. The sparkly things. It's sparkly! So we've got a 7mm crochet hook. Oh, I've been so excited. Can you tell? I'm so excited for this box. So 7mm sparkly crochet hook. We have some glitter embroidery thread in silver, gold and like a bronzy colour. You can tell it's light outside today because they actually reflect in the sunlight. So sparkly, so pretty. So I wonder what they're going to go towards. We have, I wonder if that is like safety eyes, so we'll check that in a second. Moon and Star pearl buttons. So again, we'll have a look at that in a second when I get the box, put the box down. There's a big piece of felt. I'm intrigued. So, nice thick piece of felt. We have a sun stitch marker. Is this going to focus or not? Can we see the sun? It's got a little face in it. So we have that. I might have to put a picture up of that one. And then we have a badge patch which says Midnight Crochet Club. I love it. That is totally going on my project bag. And I know exactly which project bag to go on. And that is the Midnight Diary patch bag. That is going on there because it just has to. So, love that. No, I actually have to get my thread out and actually sew it on today because it has to go on today. Right, let's see what is in the book. So I'm going to pop the box down just for a minute. Oh, that's really nice. So we've got this really chunky cow on the front cover. And as we have now, all the abbreviations, the conversion chart is on the back of the book. So, embrace the beauty and magic of crochet with this month's celestial collection. Oh, the picture. Sarah Jane's actually got sparkly yarn. Love a bit of sparkly yarn. I think that's from the mermaid box. I can't remember which number it is though. I'll pop a link up at the top to go back to that box. I think it was a mermaid box. There was a bucket and spade or amigurumi in there. Anyway, so celestial collection. So been inspired by the night sky, the shining moon, and all that is supremely good about our favourite craft. Okay, so we've got Teatime chunky yarn. Yeah, let's have a look, shall we? Oh, he is so cute. Opal the owl. I'm just checking there's nothing I need to hide on here. Nope. So this is this one. So we've got this really cheeky owl. This is the cow, which is on the front of the cover. And then we've got this cute bag. I might have to make the storage bag. We shall see. Yeah, so we've got, those are our free patterns for this month. So let's have a look inside. We have a chat with Beardy and Blondie. Now I've recently found those on Instagram, because a few of the podcasters that I follow have mentioned them. So I need to have a better look at their page and see what they get up to. But I can see that there are amigurumi animals and they are just so cute. So I'm going to have a nice enjoy reading that. They've designed the little owl. He's really cute and he's got sparkly thread. I don't know if you can pick that up. There is sparkly thread in his tummy to make the little feather marks. Oh, that's what the felt's for then. That's to do his eyes. Oh, that must be, yeah, so I haven't checked the other two boxes, have I? I got so excited about the book. So these definitely must be the safety eyes because he's got some very big eyes. So let's have a quick look just to check. These sticky tabs are really strong. Yeah, so we've got giant safety eyes. They're enormous, look! So we've got two safety eyes in there for the little owl. He must come up really big then. Oh, I've dropped it. What were these? This says Moon and Star Pearl buttons. So I wonder if these are the ones that are I saw pictured on the cow. So let's have a quick look. I say a quick look and then I can't get the sticky off of it. I'm getting those sticky fingers. They're really strong. Here we go. Oh, they are like literally. Oh, they're really cute. They're like mother of pearl or shell. There we go. Shell stars. And there's some moons in here as well, so if I can get a moon out. There we go. Little moons. Very sweet. So now I want to make the cow because I want to put the buttons on. Right, let's have a look. So this is by Birdie and Blondie. They are Birdie and Blondie Crafts on Instagram. So we have Opal the owl. Oh, he's got like a little mandala on the back for his wings. Don't know if I can show you that without. Let's see if I can. There we go. So he's got like this little mandala on the back. He's really cool. Didn't expect that at all. There's quite a few pictures of him in here actually as well. Okay, so everything in our box is on this page. So it just explains what we've got and how much it might be if you were to purchase it without getting the box, basically. I like the background papers. That's nice. Might have to see if we can get some of that. So let's have a look what else is in here. Okay, we have other alternatives for the chunky yarn. So we have Stylecraft Special XL. I have used Stylecraft before, but I don't think I've used their chunky yarn yet. You have King Cole Big Value Super Chunky, which is this one. We have Patterns Fab Big up there. We have, which is this one. And then down here we've got James C. Brett Amazon Super Chunky here. And then we've got Rowan Big Wool. I've not used Rowan before, and that does look really, really big wool. So go big or go home. I've got a couple of the Big Value King Cole balls, so I might have to see if they're actually chunky. Okay, so this, oh, it's a little handbag, it's not a box. So this is called Pure Bliss Handbag. It's by Marta Marks, who is Busy Crochet Bug on Instagram. And there is actually silver threads running through this one here. It's really interesting to see how the threads are being used in the different projects, because there's 3 different ones, but I've only seen the silver so far in 2. So we'll have a look. Oh, make your own chunky yarn. So has anyone ever done French knitting or French bobbin knitting? I can't ever remember what it's actually called. So you can do it. You can get a little machine to do it. And you just wind the handle. I used to have one when I was a kid, and I used to love making them because you just make like lots of cord, and then you can just make them into other things like bracelets and stuff. So that is really cool. So you can use any yarn type then, and it will braid it up, and then you just crochet with it, so it's nice and chunky. Or you could use multiple balls, all different colours, or double up a DK ball, and that becomes like an Aran weight chunky style. There's a loop method to do chunky, so that you get 3 or 4 strands from one ball of yarn without having to pull from the middle and the outside. So that's really interesting. I'll see if I can find a video actually to link it for you. Why don't I just try and do one myself? I will. So yeah, you can make your own chunky yarn if you want to use something special, but you don't want to try and find a chunky version of it. You can make your own. So that little knitting machine is by Prim, and you can get it at John Lewis. So that is £22. It's just a nice way of making cord. Oh, so it's actually here. So this is a loop method. So it's in the book and explains you how to do it. And then you've got obviously using multiple strands. So maybe I'll still do a video on how to do it. We then have an exclusive page. So things exclusively for us. So these are like little discount codes that we can get, or competitions that we can enter. And then we have the Orion Cow. Now I have some yarn, which is actually from Gemma of the Midnight Diary, which is all galaxy themed. It's not chunky, but that's fine. I could mix it with something else because it's DK weight. Maybe it'll go into that then. I've got about 100 grams because I've got the four minis together, and I don't know what I was going to do with them, to be honest. I wanted to put them in something special, so I might have to go into this. And it's got like a star stitch pattern, which goes really well with the theme as well. And can we see that the buttons are here, the moon and star buttons, and then there's the silver thread running through there as well. It's so pretty. This is by Toria Winters, which is the same name on Instagram. If you wanted to look that one up, look her up. And then, as always, we get a page just on what other people have made from either past boxes, but we've also got like advent pictures as well still from the advent blanket. This is leftovers from the advent blanket, which is so sweet. Just made a little dog coat. It's just cute. We have the Bolero from one of the past boxes. I can't remember what box this is though. I want to say 16, but I don't think it is 16. I think it's like 19 because it's got the same type of yarn as the Advent cow. Yeah, the Advent. Does it say on here what box it's from? 19, yeah. There's another one here. So there's 2 on there. And you can see they've actually done it the opposite way. So this one starts with yellow at the bottom, goes up to the dark blue. Whereas this one is the opposite way around. So it all depends how you want to wear it. And I think they've actually changed. They've both got slightly different colours on the binding of the neck. So that's really nice. And then you've got, this one is actually all 3 projects from that box, which is really lovely. And then we've got the little cloud up here. So I think this was the Silver Linings box. Box 19, so that was January. And then you can see where in the last box we were in, not the last box, the box before, box 20, we were inspired to organise our craft space or put a craft space in place. So there's a picture here of somebody else's craft space, which is lovely, and you get to see mine. So we have that, and then this picture was already in my email yesterday when I got the dispatch for this box. This is the next box, so this is box 23. I think it's box 23. This is box 22. Yes. So this is box 20. So this is like a quick preview of box 23. So that will be shipping next month in April. How are we 3 months into the year already? Or nearly 4 months into the year. Anyway, so that is box 22. I love the box. The box is just so pretty. And the patch. Oh my god, the patch. I have an obsession with these patches now. That is going straight on my bag. It's not even going back in the box. So I'm going to have a look through and see which project I'm going to make, I think. Yeah. This would be super, super nice and warm as that cow for the winter. So, just, it's sparkly. I was excited about the sparkly one for the Advent cow. That's fab. That is going in there as well. So I'm not even going back in the box because I love it. So I'm going to pop these all back in, and yeah, thank you for watching my unboxing of box 22. I think you can tell I was a little bit excited, and the theme is fab. I'm not sure that the colours really go with the theme. I was expecting like the dark blue and the ocean teal blue with some golds and stuff. So I might see what I have in stash actually to make the items, because I think they'll suit better. But yeah. So as always, I'll put all the details down below for you if you would like to subscribe to the Crochet Society subscription. I'm no way affiliated with it. I just subscribe and like to film my unboxings. There are other options available. You have a little box of crochet, you have Knit Crate if you are knitting orientated. There is also a stationary one, I think Paper Gang. There's a couple more coming out now as well. I think lockdown has helped people to get a little bit more creative and put together some really exciting projects. So thank you all for watching, take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.